Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I have some skincare goodies to talk to you guys about again, and this is a summer to fall transition skincare. So we all know like the summer seasons versus the fall and winter are completely different, clearly. And you know, fall and winter, it's getting colder, it's getting drier, so we need some skincare to help bring that moisture back. In comparison to, you know, the summertime, it's all sweaty and humid, you know, like there's a lot of moisture there. And of course, fall and winter is the complete opposite. So I wanted to show you guys these products I've been trying out to transition from the summer to fall. And before we get started, of course, I want to say thank you for Stylevana for sponsoring today's video. I've worked with them before and they've been great through and through. All the products that they sent, I tried them out and they are absolutely hydrating. And again, for the fall season, I need something hydrating, especially here in Canada. So if you guys don't know about Stylevana, they carry a lot of Asian beauty brands, from makeup to skincare, hair and body, and a lot of their brands are like K-beauty, but they do carry other ones as well. So a lot of the products I'll be showcasing in today's video will be K skincare. So Stylevana is your one-stop shop for online K-beauty, just Asian skincare beauty needs, even makeup as well. So here in Toronto, there's a few K-beauty stores or just Asian beauty stores, but each store carries different types of brands, right? So if there's a specific one that I need, then I would kind of have to go from here to here to here. Stylevana, I could just go on there, search it. They carry so many different brands, from skincare to makeup. It's basically a one-stop shop for all your K-beauty, Asian beauty needs. So again, if you guys are interested, I do have a discount code for you guys for 10% off, and I hope you guys check out Stylevana in case you haven't done so already, because again, they carry so many different brands and it's just amazing that everything's right there. So again, I do have a discount code for you guys for 10% off. All the details will be down in the description box below, and the discount will be shown right here, of course, and it will also down be in the description box below as well. So everything you guys need to know is down there. And again, thank you for Stylevana for sponsoring today's video. It's so great to work with you guys again. And before I actually dive into the products, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you try Stylevana or try any of these products. They carry so many types of products, like it's unreal. And don't forget to follow me on my social media handle right there. And let's get started with the video. So first, we're gonna start off with cleansers. Now this is the Hyaluronic Matcha Biome. This is their Amino Acne Cleansing Foam. This does have a pH balance of 5.5, which helps balance the skin, and this is great for acne-prone skin. It contains 100% amino acid cleansing ingredients to remove sebum, dead skin cells, and impurities. It is functional cleansing foam for acne that does not irritate your skin. So this is a very gentle cleansing foam. Troubled skin will be improved and further breakouts will be prevented. This has a special patent ingredient that contains probiotics extracted from matcha. Antioxidants will soothe inflammation, redness, and eczema and acne. So the recommended use is to use this after you take off your makeup, so the cleanser can take off the dead skin cells, the sebum, and so forth. For me personally, I like to use this when I wake up. I have all the oil and like all the gunk that's on my face. So for me, that's when I personally like to use this, but you can use this when you take off your makeup as well. I absolutely love matcha. I do have a couple more matcha products right here, but just telling you guys, I love matcha. The antioxidants, just everything about matcha is so good. So the fact that I have some products that contain matcha, love it. So anyway, so the cleanser isn't stripping. It removes the sebum, it removes the dead skin cells. You feel very clean after you use it. I definitely love the feeling of a clean canvas, that, you know, there's no gunk or anything on my face. And the fact that it contains probiotics, it helps balance the skin after you cleanse it. Alright, so next what I have on the list is a hyaluronic acid ampule. Now this is from the lab. This is the Oligo Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Ampule. Now I preferably like to use this during the day, especially during makeup days, because it does have like this sticky, tacky consistency, and I absolutely love that when I need to apply my makeup, because it helps grip onto the foundation and it helps last all day. I'm actually wearing it right now. There's no moving whatsoever. So the ampule, it is colorless and scentless. This does have a pH balance of 5.5 to enhance elasticity, care, and moisture to the skin, moisturizing effect for deeper layer of the skin. So this is 100% low molecular hyaluronic acid. It's deep moisturizing, and then when I do use it on my makeup days, it doesn't feel heavy at all. Even though it is an ampule, it does not feel heavy whatsoever. But again, it does have like that tacky feeling a little bit, but if you are using it on a makeup day, it would definitely help with your makeup lasting all day and to help kind of grip it as well. The feeling is kind of familiar with the Milk Hydro Grip, so you understand what I mean by like it helps hold on to the foundation, the makeup, and help it last all day. Alright, next I have our eye patches. I love eye care anything. We definitely need to protect like the under eyes right here, the fine lines, anything that can help like boost the plumpness, the hydration, all that good stuff. Definitely, I love it. So this is the Hyaluronic Matcha Biome Active. This is their hydrogel eye patch. So this is supposed to be helping for a brightening and anti-wrinkle. Love it. It helps repairs, irritate, and brightens dark circles with matcha's probiotic. Cools down and hydrates skin quickly. 100% eco-friendly hydrogel made of sea plants that easily dissolved in water. And what I love about eye patches is that it kind of gives me like that spa experience. Like you just leave it there, let it do what it has to do. It'll warm up the under eyes. The essence and everything will absorb right into the skin. It's just a very luxurious spa experience. I like eye patches. I don't talk about eye patches much on my channel, but I do use them. They're very beneficial to the under eyes in my opinion if you want the anti-aging, or if you just again want that like spa-like treatment at home. You just like slap them on. It's like that cucumber effect when back in the day. It's kind of like the same thing. Just put some eye patches on, just like let's do its thing, you know, just relax a little bit and, you know, have a glass of wine and just watch some like rom-coms or something. But again, if you guys want something that's brightening and anti-wrinkle and contains matcha, if you're a matcha lover like myself, definitely check this one out. Alright you guys, so next what I have is something I use very rarely because sometimes I do get acne, and when I do, I use these spot patches right here. Now this is the Skin 1004 Spot Cover Patch. So these are invisible when you put them on, of course, and these help to protect the inflamed skin spot from external environments. This is a medical grade hydrocolloid sheet. This hygienic material soaks up fluids from within the pimple to dry it out to promote healing. This helps treat surface level acne like pimples and blackheads, and I usually leave this on for maybe about 6-8 hours. So usually just before I go to bed, and when I wake up it's decreased in size. So if you guys want a patch that really works, I would look into this one right here. Alright guys, so I have two creams right here. One I use for the day, one I use for night. So the first one I'm going to talk is the Kombucha Enriched Balm Cream. Now when I first received this, I was like, balm cream, I was like, okay, the word balm kind of freaked me out because I was thinking it's going to be thick, but it actually isn't. So what's great about this is that it contains black tea extract to improve dry and sensitive skin with protection and increased moisture retention. It's a highly moisturizing balm cream that keeps the skin glossy for a long time. It gives a fresh feeling, moisture improvement, so this absorbs into the skin very quickly, and as you guys can see, you don't see any residue left on here. It leaves a very kind of matte like finish, very lightweight as well. So again, I really like this when I need a moisturizer to give me that moisture, and it doesn't give me like this weird like film or anything like that. It's really nice. And last but not least, my other moisturizer I have right here is the Matcha Biome Intensive Repair Cream Probiotics Moisturizer. This is also by Hyaluronic. Great for brightening and anti-wrinkle. This is mineral oil free. It has a low pH balance of 5.5 and is a probiotic moisturizer. So again, as you guys can see in the theme of the video, that a lot of these products are very moisturizing because we are transitioning from summer to fall. So we need products to give us the moisture back into our skin because it is coming back. So with the Matcha Cream is 50% fermented matcha water and probiotics to soothe and provide your skin with deep hydration. It will boost your skin's natural strength and fortify the skin's barrier. This lightweight moisturizer is hypoallergenic and will not leave a greasy finish. It's great for sensitive and dry skin. It is very hydrating, but as you guys can see, it does not give that weird greasy look to it. It's just, it absorbs very quickly. So I mentioned this many times in my videos. I hate really rich moisturizers that feel heavy on my face. If you're a rich moisturizer but you're very lightweight, you're fine, you're in the good books. But if you're a rich moisturizer and you feel heavy, no thank you. I don't like you. I don't want to feel heavy. Like, I want to feel the hydration without having that heavy feeling, you know? So both of these moisturizers definitely deliver the lightweight feeling, but it gives me a lot of moisture. And the rest of the products that are mentioned in the video, low pH balance is great for acne prone or sensitive skin, and gives that hydration and nourishment that we definitely need during the colder months. So if you guys are interested in any of the products that I have mentioned, don't forget to check out Stylevana and use the discount for 10% off. So again, if you guys are curious about any of these products, you can look into it further on the website. Or if you guys are curious about any of their makeup products as well, go check them out. They carry a lot of things, so be sure to check them out. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. I need to take off my makeup right now, even though I'm kind of having a good-ish makeup day. But I do have to take this off right now, get ready for bed. I have bridesmaid shopping tomorrow, so I need to get plenty of rest and tend to that tomorrow because it's gonna be a long day. Anyways, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!